video installment on our Project A3 series. This time around, we're going to be installing the much anticipated APR open box carbon fiber intake. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we go ahead and remove this existing closed box intake, we're going to go ahead and do a quick sound check, give the car a few revs so you can hear what that air intake sounds like. And then we'll make sure after installation of the new open box, we'll provide a comparison on the sound clips. So what's your expectation going into this one, Nick? We've got the full ecosystem as far as all of our airflow mods, carbon fiber intake, turbo muffler delete, turbo inlet pipe, secondary rear carbon pipe. I think we've got pretty much everything necessary to make the most out of this intake. I guess now we're just gonna see what the open box design does compared to closed.
I think this is just gonna complete the whole system. We're gonna get a lot more air noises and it's gonna complete the whole package.
Yeah, it should be interesting, man. I've heard a couple clips from some of you guys that have posted recent videos for this new product, so I'm really hyped up to see what it sounds like, man. So,
yeah, it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, dude, let's get it.
Let's do it. Oh man, look at that.
Yeah, that's a very basic one-piece design, if you think about it. I mean, you just got this little carbon fiber snorkel. That's about all there is to it, man.
Not too much here.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys, we're about to crack into this unboxing here. Once again, brand new, just released APR open box carbon intake. Let's take a look and see what's inside, man.
A lot of peanuts.
Yeah.
There she is.
Alright, there she is. Man, I gotta say, dude, that is a pretty massive air filter.
Oh, that's huge. It's gonna make a big difference, I think.
Wow. I mean, we'll look at it side by side momentarily, but so far, that's looking pretty clean, I must say so.
This is looking like a solid product, gotta say.
You can see it's got the basic grommets, I guess, on the underside for those mounting points.
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward.
Yeah, hold her down and not have to worry about that front snorkel.
Yep. And I think since I've already got the coolant reroute hose that goes under, that should probably give us some big clearance too. So we've removed our existing closed box intake. We've got them side by side here. As you can see on the right, we've got the closed box, the left, the brand new open box. And let's kind of take a look and see if there's any noticeable differences between the two systems. Nick, anything that really stands out to you?
Oh man, it's that huge filter. I mean, that is gonna have all the airs.
Yeah, I think airflow is going to be over 9,000 on this one, man.
Oh, easily.
That's pretty excited, dude. I mean, I think that's like the same filter they use on the TTRS.
I believe that's the same exact filter they use on the TTRS. Fixing to make some gains here.
Dude, massive gains, guys. Massive gains. Well, that's good. Kind of look at them side by side. I mean, it's definitely a bigger intake. As far as the inlet tube itself, you can kind of see them. Maybe not a huge difference there, but I guess that'll match up to our secondary rear pipe. So there it is, guys. New open box, closed box. Let's go and get this install completed. So will this be the first one we've installed since these have been released?
Yes, this is the first one.
All right. I guess I get to be the guinea pig.
Yes, sir.
Pretty basic install so far, guys. Looks like it's pretty much just a plug and play. Pretty much sits on those grommets as the other one was. And that's about all there is to it. Man, it's looking pretty good, sir. Gosh, that filter though.
It's huge.
The filter is massive, man.
Yes,
like
sir.
In the world.
Even right here, it fits real nice. It's real tight to the body.
Yeah.
And the weave matches awesome with that carbon box.
Oh, dude, you cannot forget about this carbon box, guys. 100% all day. So as you can clearly hear from this sound clip, I gotta say this almost said this exhaust. Because that's all I do, right? Is just switch out exhaust. So as you guys can clearly see and hear from the sound clips, this intake is significantly louder than our closed box counterpart. So guys, as you can see, successful install for today as far as this brand new carbon fiber open box intake from APR. Sounds absolutely ridiculous as I expected it would. I'll make sure to leave an applicable link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the video with a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.